Hi, Adam Quas with MacTech here again. We're at our Bentech Partners booth at the NASCC show. We've been partners with Bentech for about 4 or 5 years now, and selling and servicing and supporting their Bentech Dragon pipe, tube, hand, and stair rail production machine. This is Mitch with Bentech. Mitch, how long has Bentech been in business?
We started in 2001 with tube and pipe bending software.
Oh wow, excellent. And then where are you guys located?
We're located in Osceola, Wisconsin.
Okay, excellent. And about how many machines do you guys have out there in the field now?
About 1,300 machines.
1,300 machines. So these will do up to 4-inch square, up to 6-inch round. We've got a 12-foot and a 24-foot feed model. This is showing it with water cooling. But the software, you can design a hand and stair rail and then cut all the components of it from design to finished product in 15 minutes. It'll take a 90-minute job down to 15. And a lot of times we're seeing customers justify this machine with maybe as little as one or two jobs in a production run to pay it off. So if you're looking for a hand and stair rail production fabrication solution, look no further than Bentech.